Hello crafty friends, another super quick tag that you can make under 3 minutes. Using an old book page, fold the page in half and then in half again. This is to create the fold lines. Apply glue on the one half and fold over, repeat folding over the second fold line. Using a ready-made tag as a template, trim the corners to make it look like a tag shape and then punch your hole. An optional step is to distress the edges with some distress ink. You will see I did not trim the torn edge neatly, I've left it looking very rustic. Place down your favorite stencil and then apply texture paste with a spatula. I'm applying this over the entire tag. If you don't have texture paste, you could also use gesso for this part. And then dry everything really well. For my focal point, I'm going to use one of my vintage children again. I love working with those, and I'm going to give them some pink butterfly wings. I'm going to stick the wings onto the back of the vintage child and then glue that all down to the one side of the tag. I'm now going to add a sentiment. It is a black sticker with white writing, which suits the tag well. Although it's a sticker, I'm applying some glue just to make sure it sticks well over the texture paste. My placement wasn't great to start off with, and the last piece of wording is going over the wing, which I don't like, so I'm quickly going to lift it and move everything down. The last piece of wording is still a little too long, so I'm just going to cut it further so it'll be 4 sections. And then I think that looks a lot better and it fits really well in that corner of the tag. Some pink matching ribbon at the top. I've put it through double and then tied into a bow. Now, how is that for a super quick tag for your junk journal or your craft project? Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you were inspired to create your own quick tags. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy creating, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.